What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all back. Let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond real quick. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. Why is it a good idea to come back and watch the channel from time to time? Well, yesterday at the end of the day, we throw out the video. It said that it did in a microscopic short-term vision look bullish and that it could go on a run. It went on a couple dollar run from there in the after hours, and then we also made mention of this gap fill sitting down here. Now, I would feel more comfortable if it would have came down and just completely filled that gap in. I think there was still about 20 cents left on the table, and we're gonna see if that's enough to satisfy the stock market gods. So while it does look like it's trying to reverse right now, I would be very cautious and watch and see if it's going to start making bases again higher above, say, $9.36 and then about $10 range, or if it is going to get rejected here, want to come down, completely fill that gap. Like I said, we do have a trend line bounce that's sitting down here around $7 if it was to hit today. I don't think it's going to hit today, but anything is possible. So as that continues on, you know, our little trend line bounce gets a little bit higher and higher each day. So could it have satisfied for now and then want to consolidate and fill that gap as our trend line gets a little bit closer in the following days? Very possible. So I mean, you know, there's still opportunities here. It's moving very nice. You like the big swings up and down. If you're playing options, like I said, you can play it any direction you want. If you're playing shares, you're probably not as thrilled if you didn't jump out around this run. But I mean, all in all, it's looking like it's going to make a pretty nice base somewhere in between the $7 and $9 range as of right now. If this wants to come back down and completely fill in that gap, just going to kind of have to keep an eye on it, see what happens if it does base and run higher, if that's enough for now and it'll come back and do it in a few days, or if it wants to do it today. So that's what I'm watching. That's what I'm looking at. As always, have a trading plan, use your stop losses, you know, have a goal in mind. If you make money, take that money, because you can always get back in a play. It's not a one and done. You can enter at new supports, exits at new resistance. Just continue to move that money and play in different channels. So that's what I'm watching. I want to see how it responds from here. I hope you guys are making some money in the markets today. Enjoy. Thanks for coming back and watching another one. And as always, guys, stay golden and may your accounts stay green.